Did you know that the first car with electric starting was the 1912 Cadillac? The starter motor was designed by Charles Kettering, one of the founders of Delco, which later became ACDelco. The vehicle starting and charging system cranks the engine for starting, charges the vehicle battery, and provides the electrical power for engine controls, lights, and accessories. Key components of the starting and charging system include the battery, which stores the electrical energy, the starter motor, which cranks the engine, the alternator, which charges the battery and powers the vehicle electrical system, and battery cables to connect the battery. Malfunctions can cause abnormal noises, dim lights, discharged battery, no crank conditions, and may illuminate the battery indicator lamp. The starting and charging system is a critical part of your vehicle. Malfunctions with the system components can result in a no crank start condition. Cold weather puts an extra strain on the system. Have the system checked periodically. Visit your local ACDelco service center for expert service and quality parts.